We're here at the Lititz Watch Company. This is video number 2 in the series of how to set up and use the Diver 125/20 pressure tester. This video is going to detail basically how we bleed the system, how we get the air out of the pumping system and the internal chambers of the machine. First thing we want to do is remove the top. Take the little tree out. We want to make sure that this valve is closed, the drain valve is closed, which is located behind the pressure gauge. We want to add some water. We'll add a little bit of water to the chamber. We'll fill up the reservoir here, this clear plastic tube is the reservoir. We'll fill it up with preferably distilled water. Inside one of these two storage areas, you'll find a little key, a little Allen wrench, which you put in the bleeder screw. The idea is that we draw water into the pump chamber and expel air out the bleed screw. So we're going to gently close the bleed screw. We're going to lift the lever, which is going to draw water into the pump. We're going to open the bleed screw and expel air out through the bleed screw, and then close it again. We'll repeat this 10 or so times. We're going to lift the pump handle with the bleeder screw closed, which is going to draw fluid into the pump chamber. We're going to open the bleed screw and expel that air out the bleed screw. After 10 or so times, you're going to see that air is no longer being expelled out the bleed screw, and at that point we can snug up the bleed screw and the process is finished. So we'll store the key in its proper place, and we're ready to go on to actually testing a watch. That'll be in video number 3.